to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I don't know what's in this box, and at this point, I'm tired. Okay, I just got done braiding my hair. If you watched that video, let me know. But yeah, I'm tired at this point, and I'm just ready to sit down and relax. But I got a package in the mail. I have no idea what it is. I don't even know. This could be a number of things, so because I ordered a lot of stuff, so yeah. Oh, this is my olaplex number 3. I ran out of olaplex number 3 at my brother's house, or I don't know, I think I left it at my brother's house. I'm not sure, but he live all the way in Atlanta, and who's finna wait for that? No. So I was like, you know what, let me just buy another one. So yeah, I bought another one. Olaplex is really good if you have damage and color damage and things like that. And as y'all know, my hair was brown and I colored it black. I colored it back to black, but there is still some heat damage in some places, so I do want to get that restored, and olaplex has definitely been working. I've used it twice already, so when I take these braids down and do my hair, that will be the 3rd time. So let's make sure you stay tuned for those videos. Olaplex does last you though, like it's not this little bottle has definitely lasted me. I wish I had the other one, but I'm sure it's at my brother's house. I probably forgot to pick it up when I was in the shower. But yeah, this little bottle is definitely gonna last me, because I don't need to use it that much. I don't need to use as much, you get what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is the bonding oil, and the shampoo and conditioner is up on my shelf, so I'm going to add this with my products. And this stuff smells good, y'all. I thought olaplex was going to stink. I thought it was going to smell bad, but olaplex actually smells really good. Like, I love this oil. It smells really good. That's what I put in my hair to make it shine and things like that, and my braids look really good. But yeah, I put olaplex on my hair, like on the ends, and then I added the Benta Beauty oil as well as my Brook Nation hair growth oil. I added that on my scalp. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this road to recovery journey. Let me just read. It says, use before shampooing. It is not a conditioner, it is a bond builder. Use once per week for damaged hair, or 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse out with number 4 and number 5. So yeah, it's a bonding treatment that's supposed to get your curls back together. When I tell y'all what put me on, because I was like, you know what, I'm not finna get that stuff. But what put me on to olaplex, well, I seen this girl, right? Her hair was completely damaged. She was a black girl. Her hair is completely damaged, and she had bleached hair. Her hair was blonde, right? When I tell you her hair was bone straight when wet, her hair was bone straight. But when she used this she used this 5 times. When I tell you she had curls, she had curls. By the end of that video, by the end of the 5th treatment, she had curls. So I was like, if that can do that for her hair, and her hair was bone straight, I know it can fix this, because my hair isn't even that damaged. You get what I'm saying? Like, I have a little bit of heat damage and a little bit of color damage. That's it. For the most part, my hair is healthy. Like, you get what I'm saying? So I was like, oh, baby, that's what put me on. And so they had a gift set. It was like $60. But you got 4 things. So I got the bonding oil in the gift set. I got number 3, number 4, and number 5, which is a shampoo and a conditioner. So I got that gift set. And I've been using olaplex ever since. You know what I'm saying? It's only been I only use olaplex 2 times, but you have to use it a lot for it to work. You get what I'm saying? You can't just use it once and be like, okay, it didn't work for me. You know what I'm saying? You have to use it consistently. And that's where people are saying like, oh my god, this product was so expensive and it didn't work. Since you only used it one time, calm down. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, so if you do use olaplex, make sure you use it more than one time before you just say it doesn't work. You get what I'm saying? And a little does go a long way, so you don't need much. Like I said, I have a lot of hair, and this lasted me it would have lasted me three tries, but I left it in Atlanta, so yeah. This I know it's gonna last me at least 4 because I'm gonna use it generously. Or I'm gonna use it sparingly because I don't really need that much. But yeah, it's a hair perfector olaplex 3 ounce. Love this. This bottle was $35. Everything I believe is $35. That's why I said I hopped on to that little gift set, because I was like, 4 things for $60. You do the math. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you get some olaplex. My hair is damaged, like I said, but it still does curl. It's just some pieces I can tell where the damage is. You get what I'm saying? When you know your hair, when you have been working with your hair for years, you can tell where the damage is, and you know how damaged your hair is. So yeah, we just on the road to recovery state from here. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, as well as follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. More videos coming. If you enjoy the content, let me know. If you're enjoying my road to recovery process or journey, let me know, because I love filming that content for y'all. Yeah, I'm tired. I've been filming content every day for the past 4 months. It kind of gets exhausting, but comment down below and let me know if you appreciate the videos. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't have a problem with doing them. It's just when I do a video and I don't get views or as many views, it really it's like, okay, let me do something else. You know what I'm saying? I get kind of discouraged or whatever. But I know the views are gonna come, but it's like, damn, I'm working like really hard. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, that's just okay. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this content. Like I said, I'm not doing vlogmas, but I am posting every day. I just don't want to put a title on it. You get what I'm saying? Because when you put a title on it, there's the pressure. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, okay, I'm doing vlogmas, but I'm not saying I'm doing vlogmas. Like, I'm uploading every day, but I'm not gonna be like, oh, vlogmas number 1, vlogmas number 2. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the content. I enjoy making it. Let me know if you have tried olaplex, or what have you used to get your hair back to repaired. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. I love every single last one of y'all. I wouldn't be here without y'all. Let me know if you like my hair. I really enjoy doing this style. I love doing like protective styles on my real hair. Like, this is me. I love doing protective styles on my real hair. And I didn't use anything but oil. I didn't have to use any type of, I didn't even use a blow dryer. You get what I'm saying? Like, I didn't use anything in my hair but oil. That is a blessing. Okay, when your hair is a certain length, you can do styles and they look good with your real hair. But yeah, let me know how y'all are doing. Are y'all ready for Christmas? Do you not fuck with your family like me? I hate most of my family members. Yeah, but all right, y'all. Oh, never mind. That's just the receipt. Yeah, that's just the receipt. So, Okay, I will see y'all in my next video. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Treese. If you have any questions, you can DM me. And my TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. Follow me on there too. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.